For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a building material business can be a lucrative venture, especially in regions experiencing growth in construction and real estate. The industry involves sourcing, distributing, or manufacturing materials such as cement, bricks, wood, steel, and other construction essentials. Leveraging free AI tools can significantly streamline the process from business planning to marketing, helping you minimize costs and maximize efficiency. This guide will take you through the essential steps to start your building material business with the help of free AI technologies. Step 1. Research the market and define your niche. Before jumping into the business, conduct thorough market research to understand demand, competitors, and potential customers. Use AI-powered tools like ChatGPT to generate a market research summary and identify gaps or opportunities. For example, you can prompt ChatGPT, "Please help me analyze the building material market in your region." Provide insights on current demand trends, major competitors, common challenges, and potential niches to focus on. Additionally, use Google Trends or free AI tools like Ubersuggest to analyze search volume and popular building materials in your area. This data will help you decide whether to focus on a specific material, e.g., eco-friendly materials, specialty wood, or construction hardware, or offer a broader range. Step 2. Develop a business plan. A solid business plan will guide your startup process and attract investors or lenders if needed. Free AI tools like ChatGPT can assist in drafting a comprehensive business plan that includes your company overview, market analysis, operation strategy, and financial projections. Prompt for ChatGPT. Create a detailed business plan outline for a building material supply company targeting residential and commercial construction projects. Include sections for market analysis, product sourcing, pricing strategy, marketing, and financial forecast. Make sure to customize the plan by adding specifics, such as your startup costs, supplier contacts, distribution methods, and sales goals. Step 3. Source suppliers and inventory. Finding reliable suppliers is crucial for maintaining quality and meeting demand. Use AI chatbots or platforms like ChatGPT to help draft professional emails to potential suppliers or manufacturers. You can also ask for supplier evaluation criteria to ensure you choose reputable partners. Prompt for supplier communication. Write a professional inquiry email to a building material supplier asking about their product range, pricing, minimum order quantities, delivery times, and payment terms. Besides direct communication, explore supplier directories or B2B marketplaces like Alibaba, where you can search for manufacturers and wholesalers. Use AI summarization tools such as SMMRY to condense supplier terms and product specifications for easier comparison. Step 4. Register your business and obtain licenses. Legal compliance is mandatory. Use ChatGPT to generate a checklist of licenses and permits required to operate a building material business in your region. The tool can also help draft documents such as articles of incorporation, partnership agreements, or lease contracts. Prompt example. List the necessary business registrations, licenses, and permits required for a building material supply business in your country/state. Also, provide a sample articles of incorporation document. If you're unfamiliar with legal jargon, free AI legal assistant tools like Do Not Pay can offer guidance and templates for standard documents. Step 5. Set up your online presence. In today's digital world, having an online presence is essential. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI to create website content, product descriptions, and customer FAQs quickly. For building the website itself, platforms like Wix or WordPress offer free tiers, and AI tools such as Durable.co can even generate complete website drafts based on your inputs. Prompt for website content. Write engaging homepage content for a building material company emphasizing quality, reliability, and eco-friendly products. Include a call to action inviting visitors to contact us for quotes. Step 6. Create a marketing strategy. AI can also help you develop a marketing plan tailored to your audience. Use ChatGPT to design campaigns targeting contractors, builders, or DIY enthusiasts. It can generate social media post ideas, email marketing content, and promotional slogans. Prompt for marketing plan. Develop a marketing strategy for a new building material business targeting construction companies and home builders. Include digital marketing tactics, local advertising, partnership ideas, and customer retention plans. Additionally, free design tools like Canva with AI-powered templates can help you create professional marketing materials such as flyers, banners, and social media graphics. Step 7. Price your products competitively. Determining the right pricing strategy is vital to balance profitability with competitiveness. Use AI spreadsheets or Google Sheets with built-in AI functions to model different pricing scenarios based on supplier costs, overhead, and competitor pricing. Prompt for pricing analysis. Help me create a pricing model for building materials considering supplier cost, shipping, taxes, and desired profit margins. Suggest pricing for cement bags, steel rods, and timber planks. Step 8. Manage operations and inventory. Running smooth operations means tracking inventory, orders, and deliveries effectively. Free AI tools like Airtable or Notion can be customized to manage inventory with reminders and reports. ChatGPT can assist in drafting standard operating procedures, SOPs, and training materials for your team. Prompt for SOP creation. Create a standard operating procedure for receiving and inspecting building material shipments to ensure quality control and accurate inventory records. Step 9. Handle customer service and support. Excellent customer service builds loyalty. Use AI chatbots like ChatGPT integrated with platforms such as Facebook Messenger or your website to automate responses to common inquiries about product availability, pricing, and delivery times. Prompt for chatbot responses. Provide sample answers for frequently asked questions in a building material business, including delivery policies, return procedures, and product warranties. Conclusion. Starting a building material business using free AI tools can save time, reduce costs, and provide valuable insights throughout your entrepreneurial journey. By carefully researching the market, drafting a solid business plan, sourcing quality suppliers, and leveraging AI for marketing and operations, you can build a strong foundation for your company. Embrace these technologies not only as a launch pad, but as ongoing partners to adapt and grow in the competitive building materials industry. The key is to combine your knowledge of the construction market with the efficiency and creativity that AI offers, setting you up for success from day one. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.